Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete comments on your YouTube video. One way would be like opening video for which you would like to delete comments. Then you scroll down to comments and select or hover over those comments which you would like to delete. And once you hover over your comments, guys, then here on the right hand side you will see these three dots. Just click in there and here you will see this remove. This is one way how you can delete comments of your YouTube video. Another way, if you go back to your YouTube channel, click on your icon on the right top corner and go into your YouTube studio and go into your content, and here you can select video for which you would like to delete comments. I will select the same video. Here you will see on the left hand side this tab comments for this particular video, where you will see all comments which are added to this video. And here, if you will hover over this particular comment which you would like to delete, you will see these three dots only here. Just click on these three dots and here you can also click remove, and you can delete comments on your YouTube videos also this way. This is how you can delete comments on your YouTube videos, and if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and see you in the next one.